So let's demonstrate how we do a left join in Power BI. So here I've opened the Power BI environment and I've already entered our basic data tables. You can see here we got Muppets with their names and then positions with their wages. And we're going to join these two tables together. To do that, we have to invoke Power Query, which we'll do by coming over here and clicking on Transform Data. And then that automatically brings in the two data tables into Power Query. So I'll highlight employees, then I'll go to merge queries. And just so I can preserve the original two tables, I'm going to do merge queries as new. You see it automatically lists the employees table at the top. That's because I had the employees table selected. And then I can select the positions table. And then I have to select the columns that I want to do the join on. And so I select Muppet ID in both of them. If you have a composite primary key, you can hold down Control and select the other column, but you just want to make sure you get them in the right order. And then I can choose the join kind, and you can see I can form all kinds here. If I do left, it'll tell me that 4 of the 5 rows from employees will be matched in the final result, and that's because there isn't a match for 5. And so when we click OK, you'll see there's our merge one, and it's merged them, and it's taken all the positions columns and stuck and collapsed them into this column, and so we could expand them. If we just expanded the default, we'd duplicate Muppet ID, which you may or may not want to do. We don't need it, and so I'm going to uncheck it. And I'm just going to uncheck use original column name as prefix because none of the columns from our two tables are named the same, and so we'll still be able to distinguish them. And so now you'll be able to see here that when it said 4 out of the 5 columns had a match, it was those 4, and the 5th one didn't, and so we have nulls on the right hand side of our join because there wasn't a match for Ralph the dog. So that's all there is to it.